It is Monday, March something. I don't know. I think it's like the 14th, March 14th. Yep, today Monday, March 14th. And today so far has started off really, really good. So I've been thinking of just packing up me and my kids and moving. And so I found a destination. I did some research. I applied to an apartment. I'm waiting to hear back from the apartment, and I applied for some jobs. I did get a call back from one of the jobs. So I spoke with like the district manager there. I have something set up because I'm going to visit this place next month. So I have something set up to go and meet with him so that I can get a look around and, get a feel and see if I like the area as well as the job. I'm so excited, y'all. I literally could cry. I just booked our flights for me and the kids to leave. We leave April 16th because Koi starts spring break. Hold on, let me pause my show. That's what they do, they make excuses. Koi starts spring break April 15th. So yeah, we're gonna leave April 16th, and then I'm also gonna start packing up my apartment, only because I know me, I'm at my wit's end, I'm ready to go. It makes no sense to kind of hold anything off any longer. So I'm gonna start going around trying to get some boxes, start packing up my apartment. I don't want to pay for boxes, which I think it's weird. I really want to pay for boxes. So I am gonna go buy totes, like big tote bins. I may do that though, because my sister said that is a smarter way to move. Get like big ones for our clothes, and then some smaller ones for like my dishes and stuff, smaller stuff. That way, no more. I can unload the totes, and then, we'll have everything from there. Like, that's literally where I'm at with it, y'all. I'm over this apartment. I have 2 different people that's willing to take it over. I'll probably give it to my friend because she has kids. So, why is Emily bringing me another Tony? This is what he just brought me, y'all. Go put it back. You don't get this. You want to take a nap? Okay, come on. So, yeah, that's that. I just wanted to share that bit of good news with you guys. Kind of, not really, because I'm not going to post this. But, yeah. So, it is about 6:14. It's really late. Koi is asleep. Emery is watching some show called Pop on Netflix, or he might be on his way in the kitchen. Yeah, on his way in the kitchen. I'm about to make some garlic parmesan wings. I got this in that pack. Hold on. In this box of Buffalo Wild Wings fan favorite sauces. I got this from Lidl last time me and my sister went a couple weeks ago. So I'm about to do the garlic parmesan ones. I am gonna bake my wings because that's just what I do. Yeah. But I'm about to season my chicken and then marinate it in the sauce and then put it in my pan. I forgot what this pan is called, but this is what my chicken looks like once I season it. Y'all know I got my seasonings in this little lazy season on my counter. So I'm about to pour the garlic parmesan on there and then mix it in. Do you not want to come out? Alright. And then I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looks like all mixed in. They look like now that they are all covered in the garlic parmesan sauce. Sorry, y'all. And then I'm going to pour them into there. My things look like all covered in the sauce. I don't think I got aluminum foil, which is crazy. So I'm about to cover them in saran wrap. Ghetto, I know. But I didn't realize that I have aluminum foil till just now. Cover it in saran wrap. Plus, it make it easier for me to see it when it's cooking. And then, yeah, and I'm trying to figure out what size I'm going to use. And covered it in saran wrap. Yeah, I poked a couple holes in the saran wrap. That's why you see, like, stains of the sauce. So, my oven is set to 350. Probably going to bake this for, like, an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Only because I haven't really baked chicken in so long. Honestly, I've just been making salmon and stuff. So, like an hour and a half, and then figure out what we're gonna eat. We're gonna do the Uncle Ben's ready rice, the whole grain brown, and some French style green beans. I actually don't have any more fresh green beans, so we're gonna use canned, no salt added. So yeah, I'm responding to a message. Somebody got a package. Yes. Somebody placed the order with me, and I sent her the new peachy bath soak. So the last couple orders and the next couple more orders that go out will all receive the peachy bath soak. Mind you, the peachy bath soak is not even out yet. So yeah, she received it. She's gonna share her experience with me tomorrow. She just messaged me and was like she loves the way it smells and she uses it this night. So I'm excited for that. So I'll know like if I need to improve anything or if it's fine. Because my family members would be like, it's fine. And they don't even really use it, which is why I stopped giving them samples and letting them try new products. So yeah, I'd rather just send them to you guys when you place orders. Let you know it's unreleased. Give it a try. You can email me. You can email us. You can call us now. You can text us. You can DM us on Instagram. You can leave a review on the website if the product is actually live on the website. All products can be reviewed. And let us know how you like the products. So, yeah, make sure y'all shop sugarinc.com. Everything's 50% off right now. No code needed. This is how everything came out. Green beans, the whole grain brown rice, and the garlic Parmesan chicken. It is baked chicken, so the sauce got to bake into the chicken. So yeah, I'm about to eat it and hopefully it's good. Cause I can cook, but sometimes it don't be there.